Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to connect AliExpress to Shopify. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Shopify store and you'll be on your Shopify's dashboard. Here, you'll have to simply click on the apps icon at the left corner of your screen and you will see a search bar appearing at the top. Now, click on All Recommended Apps button and you will see this pop-up. You will have to click on Shopify App Store link at the bottom in blue. Now, when you click on this link, it is going to take you to this page. We'll have to click on the Search Apps, Guides and More and search for AliExpress. Now, after searching for AliExpress, you will see different kind of search results. So, you can use all these apps to connect AliExpress to Shopify. What I've used is Deezer's. So, click on Deezer's AliExpress Dropshipping and click on Install button on this page. Now, after you click on install, it is quickly going to take you to Shopify's homepage where you'll have to click on install button again. As you can see, this app needs access to your personal data and it can view and edit your store data. After reading this, click on install button at the bottom right of screen. And it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to just log in or create an account on Deezer's. So this is Deezer's. If you're not registered, click on register yourself, create an account on Deezer's. After logging into your account, you will be successfully logged into Deezer's on Shopify and your Shopify will be automatically connected to AliExpress for dropshipping. So that's how you connect AliExpress to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.